car. That is Ryan Farrell, 5th in the points. He's out of Big Bend, Wisconsin. 50 car, Jake Guiley starts from 4th. White 7, Paulie Schaefer. Black 7, Johnny DeAngelis. 47, Casey Johnson. 12 car, Brad Kossow. 10 laps. Takes it to 1 and almost didn't come back. He and Ricky Baker side by side. Jake Guiley gonna get in there. Baker sideways, holds on. Guiley to 2nd. And now the 80 car, Farrell wants 3rd to the outside of Baker. Jake Guiley going after Jim Olson for the lead. Johnny DeAngelis 5th, wants 4th. He smells blood. Jake Guiley going after Jim Olson for the lead out of turn 2. Johnny DeAngelis has a fast car. Working up to the back end of Ryan Farrell for 3rd off of turn 4. Olson holding on, Guiley giving chase. The lead duo off the corner. Meanwhile, for 5th, the white 7 of Schaefer looks to the inside of Baker, who's found a home. There goes Guiley for the lead in 2, side by side. Olson can't hold it down in the middle of the 1 and 2 corners. That allows Guiley an open road. 5 scored, 5 to go, halfway home. Here comes Guiley again. Good race for the lead. Farrell there, DeAngelis there. Top 4 real close. Casey Johnson taking a look to the inside of the 7 of Paulie Schaefer for 6. Back up front, it's still Jim Olson holding on to the lead by just a little bit. 3 laps to go. Now Guiley under siege. Here comes Ryan Farrell with the 80 car. Guiley still hanging in on that bottom side. Gonna give Olson another run. 2 laps to go. Guiley there again. Slings her in low. Even up for the lead out of 2. White flag, 1 to go. Look at him scoot out of 4. Guiley with 1 more look in 1. Olson still holding to the lead out of 2. Farrell holding 3rd ahead of DeAngelis. Leaders in 3 and 4 one more time. It'll be Jim Olson. Ricky Baker comes home in 5th spot in a 52. John DeAngelis Jr. 4th spot in a black number 7. 3rd spot to Ryan Farrell in the 80 car. Runner-up, the Jake Guiley in the 50, and your even dash winner, the 24, from somewhere in McHenry County, the Jim Olson Collision Pete's Towing sponsored entry. How about a nice hand for Jim Olson?